Hi everybody, Tiki Time Gal, and welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by my channel and viewing my video today. Today we're going to be doing a really short, sweet video on laminated bookmarks. I'm going to be making 2 bookmarks. One I've already made. I'm going to show you how to make the other one. This is the one I've already made. It is a tribute to a dear friend of mine who happens to be my moderator on my channel, who is Bert Window. I will put his name down here on the bottom, his username. He is a friend of mine who's been helping me out on my channel, helping me navigate the ins and outs of YouTube and helping me become a better creator for you guys, and helping me understand different things with YouTube. Appreciate that, and I want to give him a shout out. If you have a few moments, go over and check out his channel. He does silent live streams all the time, and he's got lots of excellent videos on his channel, so go over and check him out if you get the time to do so. Okay, we're going to drop you down the desktop, and we're going to get started right away. Thanks. Okay, you're going to need an assortment of stickers of your choice that you're going to want to put in your bookmark. You're going to need a front piece, a middle piece, and a back piece of any cardstock that you want. It can be anything at all. I'm going to use a black piece for the front, a color glitter cardstock for the back. The middle piece is going to be pop box, card box, a cracker, or cereal box for the middle. You're going to need a hole punch. You're going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to need a glue stick. You're going to need, I think it's it. Oh, you're going to need a laminator and a laminator sheet. We'll get to that a little later. What you're going to do is you're going to cut a front piece, your cardboard piece, and your back piece 2 inches by 8 inches. If you want to make a smaller bookmark, then you make it 2 inches by 6 inches. But I'm making mine 2 by 8. Those are the standard bookmark sizes, 2 by 8 or 2 by 6. When you get them cut, you're going to take your cardboard piece and you're going to take glue stick and run it around the entire surface of the cardboard, your pop box or your cracker box or whatever. And you're going to take the front piece and adhere it to the front. Stick it down good. Then you're going to take your hole punch and you're going to decide which side you want your tassel, because you're going to need some tassels. You can make your own tassels or you can buy tassels on eBay or Amazon. I bought these 2 off of Amazon, so we're in the black one. You're going to decide which side of the bookmark you want your tassel on. I'm going to put it on this side. So you can take your hole punch, you're going to go into the corner a little bit, and you're going to punch. You're going to punch a hole. We'll flip it over, run glue all over the back side of it. And you're going to adhere your back piece, which is my glitter. Then you're going to line up your hole and punch it again, because it won't punch through all of it at once. You can punch all the way through, just clip it like that. And you take your scissors and make sure if there's any edges that aren't lining up correctly, you're going to cut it flush so that it all lines up and it's nice and even. On both sides. Now you're going to turn it over and you're going to push down real good. You can use a bone folder if you'd like to do this. You're going to push really good so that it all adheres. Make sure that hole's cut out real good. Now you're going to start decorating. Now, I'm going to put some stripes at the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out a triangle in the top and the bottom of my other piece that I cut out the scrap from. Now it's time for my stickers. Since Bert has an alien persona, I'm going to do some alien stickers like I did with this one. So put this cute little alien face, because it's also green, that matches the green stickers. Okay, now we have to wait for this to completely dry, because if you run it through the laminator when the glue is still wet, the glue will ooze out of the papers and will cause a huge mess. So we'll be right back with the laminator as soon as this dries. Okay, I got my laminator out. It's all warmed up and ready to go. So we're going to take our laminating sheet and put our bookmarks in all the way to the edge. Put it in nice and straight. I'm going to cut away, leaving an edge. And you're going to repoke the hole with your hole punch. Take your tassel, fish it through the hole, Flip it around the side and fish your tassel through the loop. Like so. Take the other tassel. Push it through. There you have it. 2 completed bookmarks for a bird. Alien bird. I hope you enjoy them, Bert. Thanks for being such a good friend. And hey, while you're at it, why don't you subscribe to the channel? Leave a link or leave a comment down below and let me know how you're doing. Let me know if I'm doing all right. And let me know what you're up to lately. Click the like button. Clicking the like button really helps my channel grow and supports me. Share the video on other social media outlets, and click the notification bell and click all so you know when I have a new video that's uploaded or when I go live. That really helps my channel as well. So supporting me is a really big deal for me. I'm not a very big channel this time, and it helps me to grow and reach more people on YouTube and allows me to grow my audience. So if you would like to support me, that's the best way you can, by clicking the like button, subscribing, clicking the notification bells, and sharing my content on other social media outlets. That's the best way you can support me at this time. So I would really appreciate it if you take the time to do that, and thank you very much. And with all that being said, y'all have a wonderful night, and we'll catch you on the flip side.